Grandview Library presents Citing Articles using Chicago-Turabian. In order to be able to cite your resources, you need to know what pieces are included in your citation style. Let's take a closer look at each element of the citation. For the author, list the last name, first name, followed by a period. Next comes the title of the article. Make sure to place the article title in quotation marks. Place a period after the last word of the title. After the article title comes the journal title. This should be in italics, and because it is a proper name, all important words should be capitalized. You don't capitalize words such as of, the, or and. You do not use a period after the journal title. Instead, you place the volume number, a comma, followed by the issue number with NO period denoting the number of the issue. This is followed by the year of publication in parentheses, followed by a colon. You will then list the article's page ranges, followed by a period. Following the page numbers, you share the DOI, or the Digital Object Identifier. This is like the digital fingerprint for the article, and helps your instructor find the resources you use. This is found from the article's detailed record in the database, or on the first or last page of the article. If no Digital Object Identifier is available, use the permalink from the database. The permalink is the permanent link back to the article. It is found by clicking on the permalink tool in EBSCO. Make sure to include a final period at the end of your citation. Up until now, we have been looking at citations for your bibliography, which appears at the end of your paper. However, in Chicago-Turabian style, you will also be utilizing footnotes throughout your paper. Notice the small differences here. First, each footnote is numbered for every reference you make in text. Second, the author's name is now listed first name and then last name. Third, all periods have been replaced with commas. And finally, for each footnote, record the page number that the reference came from, instead of listing the full page range as we had done before in the citation for your final bibliography. On the article, you can see where we found the author's name, the publication date, the title and subtitle, journal name, the volume and issue numbers, the page numbers, and the DOI. The database also provides some of this information. Here you can see the information in the detailed record in CINAHL, an EBSCO database. Many databases also provide a cite tool, which you may choose to use, but keep in mind as you scroll through the different citation styles available, that computers make mistakes, so after you copy-paste your citation, always double-check it with your citation manuals. In this case, there are multiple errors with the Chicago-Turabian citation. Here you can also see the permalink tool. Be sure to copy and paste the entire link if you are using it in your citation. You may also need to cite newspaper articles, which are similar to journal articles but slightly different. The newspaper citation is as follows: author's last name, comma, first name and initial, followed by a period. Then you have the title of the article in quotation marks, followed by a period. The name of the newspaper is italicized, followed by a comma, then by the date, followed by a comma, and then the edition that this particular article appeared in, followed by a period. You will then end the citation with a permanent link back to where you located the article, followed by a period. Finally, a footnote citation for a newspaper article is not that much different from its bibliographic citation. Once again, notice the presence of a number in front of the footnote. The author's name is listed first name, middle initial, then last name. All periods are replaced by commas, and that's all you have to change. If you have any questions or would like help searching, please contact the library at librarian@grandview.edu or using either of the phone numbers listed here.